boat at Coza. We got upgraded for my birthday, and this is like freaking awesome. So up here, you can see how we have high ceilings now, and we have a little living room area with some wine, a fireplace, all this like ancient artifacts. I'll take you around. Go up the stairs. We have a jacuzzi inside this million-year-old cave. Robes, tea kettles. You can, you know, take a look through over here.
That's the bedroom. We'll come back there in a second.
And here's the bathroom. That's for making wine.
Is it?
Yeah, it really is. Really is. I've done my research.
Sorry.
Look at this million-year-old rock formation. Like, how? Then we have my birthday bed!
Woo!
So happy. This made me so, so happy. Thank you so much, Cozy Cave. We literally love you. Super it's actually like better than the Ritz-Carlton. This bed's really fucking
Are you serious?
comfortable.
Hold on,
I'm not
I
even
want to
kidding.
try this out. I haven't tried it out yet.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, you are 100% right.
It's really
more comfortable than the Ritz-Carlton. That's kind of sad to say.
Yeah, it's crazy.
All right, let's get in it.
4:45 in the morning outside Coza Cave.
Yeah, it's Cappadocia. We're hopefully getting on a hot air balloon tonight, or this morning.
I hope so, because it's my birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, baby. Let's get on that flight.
Okay.
It's freezing, so I can't wait to see what what it's gonna be like in the hot air balloon. So we shall see. Brooke, let him know.
We have breakfast here. We just checked in. Everyone's eating the buffet before the sun comes up, and we start heading to the balloons. Butterfly balloons, highly recommend.
Well, don't recommend them just yet. We haven't gotten up.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be intense. Got it? All right.
Have a better angle. It's all going on.
About to take off right now. Let him go, bro.
That rainbow one up there.
Peace out, everyone. Intense ride. I love it. It's one of the best things I've ever done in my life.
This is actually crazy because there's so many.
No, there's no treasure in this.
There is.
Not in this.
I can't believe we got to go through that. This is like a rare.
Alright, baby. Happy birthday after this nice balloon ride. Birthday champagne.
6 a.m. champagne.
Go ahead, baby. There you go. About to hit these quads up. It's insanely hot. I'm running on almost fumes at this point. Brooke over there is also running on fumes, but ready to go. See if we don't pass out. See what happens. Brooke, you got anything to say?
I'm ready to go.
I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
We got some official activity. Just chilling here.
I want you to stay.
Our quad tour just took us.
Мороженое. I gotta love having Turkish people in.
Vanilla, only vanilla? Okay. Big? Okay. Efendim hoş geldiniz. Merhabalar. Hele kardeş, hele kardeş. Şarkıya bak, hele bak, bak, bak. Only vanilla. Only vanilla. Okay. Hele kardeş, hele kardeş. Hele brother, hele brother. Hele not yun, canım neydi? Bak, hala hoppa.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Bye bye. Okay, hoppa. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay. Whoop. Senin yan senin koca olan. Oh, şifa olsun mahalın başa.
Hotel for my birthday dinner, and I am going to show you around. So this is the infamous pool. Beautiful. Just such a beautiful, luxurious hotel. And the food is great. This is what dinner looks like at the museum hotel.
Alright, it's way too early in the morning. It's our last morning in Cappadocia. Brooke's upstairs already looking at the balloons. I'm gonna go up, hopefully get some nice shots. Yeah, and then off to Bodrum we go. Also this morning, we have a couple hours. Let's go take a look. Cappadocia.
Go on that break.
Then take some shot. Well, this is the last of our day in Cappadocia right now, and last shot for the day.